Alrighty, everyone. So here's our word problem for today. Chloe has marbles. She has 4 blue, 2 red, and 3 yellow. How many marbles does she have in all? So we want to figure out how do we solve for this. So we're adding 3 numbers together. Okay, so I know that I'm going to be adding 4, 2, and 3. Look how I set it up. I only wrote the addition sign just one time. Even if it's 3 numbers, we're adding them all. We just need the one addition. So I'm going to start with my circles. So for each number, I'm going to put the number of circles. So 4 circles, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to cross them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright. So another way I can solve for Chloe's marbles is a tens frame. It's a little hard to do this when you have one hand. Let's see. Just make sure, as the name says, you have 10 boxes. So I'm going to start with number 4. Start here. And then I'm going to start with 4. So I'm going to draw 4 shaded in circles. Then, for 2, I'm going to put 2 more, but I'm going to leave them, I don't want to say open, but I want to leave them to where they're hollow, okay? So that way you can see there's 4, 2, and then for 3, I can just go ahead and color those in again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've solved with circles, number line, not number line, tens frame. Number line is next. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my number line. Just give me a moment. Let's see. So I'm going to start with this one at the number 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and set it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know it's not perfect. I'm trying to do it with just one hand. Okay, so for my number line, I'm going to make hops with my 3 numbers. So to do that, I don't have to start with 2 or start with the highest number. I just go in order. So I'm going to start with 4. So I'm going to take a look and make hops. 1 hop. Oops. 2, 3, 4. So I made my 4 hops. My second number is 2. So then I'm going to make 2 more hops. 1, 2. Then I have 3. So I'm going to make 3 more hops. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, I did 4, 2, and 3 for my hops. So next, I want to do what's called the hook method. And I always think of it kind of like when you're fishing. Okay? So normally when I solve for a hook, what I do is I box 4 and 2 and add those first to make it easier. So 4 plus 2, and on the side I'm going to put 6. Then I'm going to circle 6, and I'm going to hook it to 3. So that means I'm going to have 6 plus 3, which is going to equal 9. So what you do is you add these together and then use this to hook to your last number. Okay? So we've done circles, tens frame, number line, hook. The next one I'm going to do is a number bond. Get this camera just right. I'm going to go ahead and put 9 in it because that is my hole. Probably could make those circles a little bit bigger, but that's okay. And then for my 3 parts, I'm going to use my 3 numbers. So one of my parts is 4, 2, and 3. So as you can see, each one of these parts, part, equal my whole. So I've solved with circles, tens frame, number line, hook, and number bond. So in total, I'll circle this one. Chloe has 9 marbles. So take a look at it, give it a try. I'll make sure I post up a picture of the word problem So I'd love to see if when we do Zoom, if you want to show me, that's fine. And if not, that's okay. But this is just a little practice for your word problems. But you've been doing a great job. Please keep up the good work. You're doing awesome.